Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's English word is mourn. Mourn. To mourn. It means to feel or display a period of sorrow and grief after a death. Pronunciation: it has one syllable and the O sound in the middle is quite long. So it's pronounced mourn. Mourn. To mourn. Mourn. You will often hear it used to describe the period of time after someone has died as the mourning period. And people who feel the sadness and the grief and the sorrow of that person's death are in mourning. They are in mourning, in a mourning period. In the mourning period after a death, when someone is in mourning, they often wear black as a symbol of respect to that person's life. So to recap, you can mourn the death of a loved one, you can be in mourning or in a mourning period. Thank you very much for listening. Please join me every day for another high frequency English word, phrase or expression. Bye bye.